Hey, what's up guys, Super Nick back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing part 3.
Part 3 of what?
Unboxing, because we've done 2 videos. The second one I don't think uploaded right, so we might have to do it again. For this little thing, stand. Got some blue pants. It's the banana guy!
It is?
I think it is. That's the rarest character I was hoping for. And it always looks awkward when Legos aren't supposed to have stuff. Okay. Like that. You know, it's kind of hard to tell which way it goes. I think it's this one. And head, banana suit, and the stand. So that's the character. Bend him a little. He can't like have his back straight when you have him. This is a weird list. It has 2 holes in it. Okay. So far we've got this character right here with the spider. And we've got Banana Guy, which I think may actually turn into Mr. Golds again. Because he might be
Okay,
rare.
so now we are going to guess who Nicholas is going to get next. We're going to guess who Nicholas will get next. I think it's going to be him.
Yeah, I hope it's him too. He looks pretty cool.
What do you think, Saya?
I think it's gonna be him.
Okay, so that's been the video today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. My name is Super Nick. I'll be back in another video. Bye.